Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add doll joints to your outfit on Dress to Impress. So I've created kind of like a Bratz doll here, but you can do Barbie, you can create anything you want basically, and it's going to look like a doll. First you're going to save your skin color, which I haven't done that, so let's do that first. And then you do need VIP for this, unfortunately, but you're just going to get, well, the hands doesn't show, but I'm just going to get this one for the legs. Then I'm just going to color it this color, and then I'll do matte. And then here I'm just going to do the same thing, and then here as well I'm just going to make it matte. Maybe this one a little bit darker so you can see some more joints here. I know it goes through the boots a little bit, but it makes you look more like a doll on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.